I've been a bus driver for 8 years.
I've been a bus driver now for 10 years.
I love working with students and children, and it's an awesome thing. A person has to love what they do, and anytime I get somebody to offer them an opportunity to come work as a bus driver, the first thing I want to know is, do you like working with children?
I recommend the job because, first of all, the hours are wonderful. You get all the holidays off. You get summertime off if you choose, but they also have summer work for you. So it's a good job, like if you have children, because you're off when they're off.
Safety of the children are the utmost importance for us drivers. Like I said, if you love students, you love the safety. You want to take care of them.
But for the most part, I love being a bus driver.
I recommend this job to others only if you love working with people. If you're not a people person, you're not a patient person, it's not for you. But if you are, this is an awesome job because you're going to find yourself in a lap of love and joy. The little ones come, they enjoy you. The older ones come, they got things to talk to you about. You carry a whole lot of hats from being a bus driver.